Hello friends, myself Vinay Pal. I am from Delhi and basically my main profession is government job in Delhi Jal Board, and apart from my job I am doing this business in part time of passive income for passive income. So welcome in Next Money business plan presentation. All participants are heartily welcome in this portal. So we continue discuss about Next Money business plan presentation, innovative ways of earning presented by Next Money team champions. So now we discuss what is the content about is this presentation. We discuss about basic detail about company. We discuss about CMD and awards. In this plan presentation, we discuss about vision and mission, and we are also discuss why we have joined Next Money, and we have also discussed types of earning, how many types of earning, and what is the USP of Next Money. And seventh is goal setting for fast earning. This is last but not least. Continue. Now we talk about company information. So company information is company name is Next Gen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited. This company is started from IT sector Pune 11th December 2013, and company launched a application brand. This is Next Money app launched by Next Money 1st Jan 2017, which is registered in direct selling list by Government of India. You can also check 26 December 2017, and now this time till 2020 report 15 lakh download from Google Play Store. And we talk about current time 1 million business partner of Next Money app users and business partner. Now we talk about direct selling list by Government of India. You can check consumer gov.helpline update provisional list by direct selling entities 12th February 2020. Our company registered number is 278 Next Gen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, and you can check total 457 registered in direct selling companies, and 456 companies are product based, and our Next Money company is working on service sector. This is unique company because no one versus of Next Money, and Next Money working in only service sector. Now we talk about company CMD. So I'm not saying anything. You can check all Google from Google youngest CMD of India. So you get name of Mr. Abhishek Kumar Varman sir, CMD sir, and heartily salute sir. This is giving opportunity of all India for entrepreneur development and self business business innovation. So heartily thanks, and continue. Now we talk about awards. So company have received 35 national or international award winning by company. You can see the Rajiv Gandhi Ceremony Awards in 2017 August, Rajiv Gandhi Global Excellence Award in 2019, and you can also check Next Gen IIT app Next Money received by Best Innovation Startup year 2017 Dubai. In this platform, Dr. Vivek Bindra sir also get awarded by Dubai Federation Award, and on this occasion, on this events, our CMD sir also get award Federation of Next Money Startup. Now we talk about co-director of Next Money, Madam Sabnam Parveen. This is the live example of women empowerment, and ma'am also gets so many awards like digital award at e-commerce award ceremony. Sabnam Parveen ma'am also achieved Golden Leaf Award. Now we talk about legal document because company run in market. So company have long vision and mission. So this is very important for every company or organization. They have legal documents. So now talk about legal document. So you check GST registration certificate, certificate of incorporation, MSME registration certificate, certificate of you also check PAN card. Now you check also Central Vigilance Commission certificate. This is the ISO certificate. ISO certificates company provide when company's product quality is wonderful and 100% unique. So ISO is a trademark which is given by ISO form. So Next Money also have ISO certificate. Now we talk about company vision and mission. So company vision is open wallet bank, entrepreneur development, e-commerce business. Because we are also knowing e-commerce is the best future of our innovation, and so many apps are working in e-commerce, but no one take business opportunity, no one give a business opportunity, but only Next Money vision is giving income opportunity or by e-commerce business. And we talk about mission. So company mission is Digital India, Make in India, Swachh Bharat. Why we have joined Next Money? So now we discuss why we have joined Next Money. We have so many apps on Google Play Store like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay apps. These are apps creating only customer, no earning opportunity. And what is the difference between other wallet app versus Next Money? So uh, you can check conditional cashback on other apps like Paytm, PhonePe. They giving conditional cashback like example 10% cashback up to 50 rupees. It means Paytm says 10% cashback, but not enough, not up to 50 rupees. And when we purchase two movie ticket, then he provide cashback. It means they provide only condition based, and these apps are working on B2C model, creates customer only, no earning opportunity. And about Next Money app versus, so Next Money app giving a lifetime guaranteed cashback. Example, you get 2% cashback on every recharge, no time, no limit, and also get cashback on other service provided by company. And company working on B2B model, it means business to business, and make a business partner equal earning opportunity to all. Now we talk about Prime membership. What is the Prime membership and why Next Money take Prime membership? So I'm telling you, even not only Next Money charge of Prime membership. So many apps are take Prime membership charge of 6 month, 1 month, or uh, per year. So you check, like Amazon Prime membership is 99,999 per year. Paytm Gold subscription is also charged 750 rupees per year. And if you want to watch videos without advertisement, so YouTube charge subscription of 129 per month. And so many apps like Hotstar, Swiggy, Flipkart, Uber, these are apps charge Prime membership of 1 month, 6 month, or annually. So our Next Money wants, we also charge Next Money Prime membership 1500 rupees plus 270 rupees GST. 1770 is just one time only. It means the company charge only one time 1770 rupees subscription. And what is giving after subscription, you get 1550 reward point instant. It means your investment amount is only 220. Yeah, it means one reward point equal to 1 rupees. When you pay 1500 to company provide you 1550 reward point instant. And this is the value of 1550 rupees. Okay, so let's continue. Now we talk about Prime membership, how to take Prime membership. So first, install Next Money app from Play Store. Use referral code which is shared by someone about this business information. So you use these referral code and fulfill all details, and you get rewards, 50 reward point. And when you upgrade your ID, 1770 rupees one time only, to get Prime membership of Next Money, 1500 rupees plus 270 rupees GST for lifetime Prime membership, and also get 1500 reward point. And now this time, now you have to start earning with refer and earn. So if you refer someone and upgrade his ID 1770 rupees, you will earn 300 rupees in per person wallet. And you also transfer through IMPS and NFT through your bank account. So when we get reward fund, where we can use reward fund. So I'm telling you where we can use reward fund. We are use reward fund on recharge section. Like you can recharge prepaid mobile, DTH, data card recharge, voucher recharge. When you recharge, you use 1% reward point and 2% cashback. We talk about booking section. In booking section, you use 2 to 5% reward point, like hotel booking, flight booking, bus ticket booking, and also get 2 to 5% cashback. And now we talk about shopping section. Our affiliate partner Amazon, Flipkart, Mantra, Jabong, so many sites are available on offer and tie-up section. And in this portal, you cannot use your reward point, but you are get cashback on all shopping sites. Now we talk about Bharat Bill Pay Service bill section, like light bill, gas bill, electricity bill, water bill. In this bill section, you not use your reward point and you not receive any cashback. But in this portal, you get also complimentary bonus is the very huge and very unique. And no one provide any benefits of other apps, but our Next Money app provide bill section in complimentary bonus is 25% is the discount point. So when like example, when you pay 1000 rupees electricity bill, you get 250 rupees discount point complimentary bonus in your discount point section. And discount point and reward point is same, and these are work on same. One reward point equal to 1 rupees and one discount point equal to 1 rupees. So now we talk about shopping section. So company provide some Next Money product. If you choose any product, if you like any product, you can purchase, and your use your reward point 1 to 70%, and also get 20% cashback. And you get also which is MRP value, you get discount point of MRP value of product. Now we talk about types of income. So first income is referral income, second income is team royalty income, silver royalty income, leadership bonus income, gold royalty, diamond royalty, company royalty, crown diamond royalty, repurchase income, and fifth is merchant income. So now we talk about referral income. What is the referral income and how much on by referral income? So first we talk about when we share only 5 people, so per each we can get 300 rupees. Referral commission is 20%, and our total income is 1500 rupees. 1500 rupees is very little amount, but not little. If you work in matrix, you will get how much amount. Let's continue. So second month, when your 5 team members 5% share, your team size is 25, and your referral income is 750 rupees, and per each you get 30 rupees 2% referral commission. And third month, same duplication, 5 metrics, your team size is 125 team, and your referral commission is 3%, and you will get 45 rupees per each, and your total income is 5625. So continue in fourth level. In fourth month, you get 4% referral commission per each 60 rupees, and your total team size is 625 peoples, and you total on income is 37,500. So we can check how much our level is increased. Our referral commission is also increased. When we complete 5 months, our referral commission is 5%, and per each we can earn 75 rupees, and our team size is 3,125 people, members, and our total income is 2,34,375. And in 6 months, our referral commission is 6%, and per each we get 90 rupees per id, and our team size is 15,625, and our income is 14,06,250 rupees. So our income is increased when our level is increased and our percentage increase. So when we reach 10th level in 10th month, our referral commission is 10%. Our income per id, we get 150 rupees, 10% of prime membership, and our team size is 97,65,625 people, and total income is 146 crore 48 lakh 43,750. So total income is 178 cr. So next money concept is 178 cr. Now we talk about success ratio. If we doing 100%, so we is it possibility we can earn 178 cr. When we doing in part time, and we are fail in 90% and only 10% success, so we earn 17.8 cr. Just suppose we are working on rarely basis, and if we success of only 1%, 99% fail, so we earn 1.78 cr, approx 2 crore. We can earn only 1% success. And still if we talk about we are fail in 99.99%, only 0.1% success, we earn 17.8 lakh. So this is huge amount of our success ratio if we start business this 1770 rupees. Now we talk about next money promotion. Next money giving a tours everyone. Next money provide when you join next money and complete your 5 plus 25 in 30 days, company provide you Goa tour. And if you not complete this target, company giving you another chance for second task. And you, if you will complete 525 plus 125 in 90 days, it means 3 level complete, company giving you international tour of Dubai, Malaysia, Bangkok. And still you not complete this task, any reason, so company also giving a no time limit task, 5 plus 25 plus 125 plus 625. It means you complete 4 level in next money, no time limit, like 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, anytime you complete this 4 level, company providing you international tour. It means ki company says when you if you join next money, so you are ready to your passport, and company 100% provide you international tour. So now talk about royalty income. So company provide you team royalty income. First is silver royalty. What is the criteria of silver royalty? Criteria is when you upgrade 5 direct members of active ID and any level complete 1 to 10 level active upgraded ID, you make a silver star and you get silver star royalty of 1% of prime membership amount. It means 15 rupees 11th after 10th level to unlimited depth, 15 rupees silver royalty. This is the leadership bonus. When we qualify leadership bonus, when we complete our 5 plus 5 uh, 25, we get eligible for leadership bonus. And in leadership bonus our direct 5 members which is earn amount earn income, and 10% our direct sponsor we will receive of leadership bonus of direct joining. Now we talk about gold star royalty. So gold star royalty criteria is we complete 5 silver star, we are get make a gold star, and gold star royalty is 2%. It means 30 rupees referral ID after 11th level to unlimited depth when we make gold star. Third is second is diamond star royalty. So diamond star royalty criteria is when we complete different leg, different leg 1 to 10th level, different leg complete 5 gold star, you make diamond star. And when we make diamond star, we get receive 3% royalty income of after 10th level to unlimited depth, differential amount 45 rupees. Now we talk about Crown Diamond Star royalty. This is the dream of all participants, all leaders, and our great leader Mr. Harsh Sario sir and Kamal Sario sir also get benefits of Crown Diamond Star royalty and earn huge income of our next money. So what is the criteria of Crown Diamond Star royalty? This is criteria is when you complete 1 to 10th level 5 diamond star, you make crown diamond star diamond star, and you get 1% company joining turnover of quarterly basis. Now we talk about repurchase income. Just suppose your team size is 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh team size, and you receive only 0.25 paisa per day your team size. It means you get 25,000 rupees per day, because 25% cashback is distributed of up to 10th level in equally distribution. So just example, if somebody purchase bus ticket like 1,000 rupees, and company use reward point 30 rupees and paid 970 rupees, and he's getting cashback of 4% 40 rupees. It means final ticket price is 930 rupees. And what is cashback distribution? How to cash distribution? Cashback distribution, 40 rupees cashback, 25% amount is 10 rupees. 10 rupees equally distribute in 10th level, it means 1 rupees, and 1 rupees 1 rupees, and 10 rupees cashback of 25% is 25 paisa, and up to 10th level 0.25 25 paisa distribute on all level up to 10th level. It means 25,000 rupees per day you can earn. Now we talk about merchant income. This is the very unique income. This is only in Next Money, and no one provide these benefits of this income. Or what is the criteria merchant income? You can make any merchant to Next Money merchant, like garments shopkeeper, like saloon shopkeepers, like medical store, like electronic shop. You can make any merchant of next money. Criteria is when you making the merchant provide 10% discount to our next money user. And what is the benefits of next money merchant give next money giving of advertisement by this app, and next money through business partner get many uh, consumer of by next money. So just example, Rahul is next money user, and Gaurav sir create by Dev Medical in Naroda, and Rahul purchase a medicine of 1000 rupees, and in merchant store use reward point of 7.5, it means 75 rupees used by Rahul reward point, and Rahul pay 925 rupees, and Dev Medical receive only 900 rupees. So in your mind about what is about 25 rupees. So now we discuss how to 25 rupees distribution in four part. 1% make 1% take benefits of 10 rupees to Gaurav, because Gaurav sir making a merchant, it's a merchant royalty, and 5 rupees 0.5% is equally distributed to Rahul up to 10th level, because Rahul purchased a medicine, and 5 rupees 0.5% is equally distributed to Gaurav sir up to 10th level, and 5 rupees 0.5% is to for company. So and in this concept we can see ki make merchant who's make merchant who's purchasing medicine or who's get benefit. So this is the unique about next money USP. Now we talk about USP of next money business. So next money business providing instant money, no sale, no purchase required, growth level income, legal follow government guidelines of direct selling, and this is the next generation business, because we know about our next generation is totally depend on e-commerce, and this business providing is financially freedom facility, company provide nomination facilities, and unique digital support present by Zoom meeting. We also watch these videos, this webinar training on Zoom app, and company provide you no risk, no liability, because they can no huge amount of investment. So when we know investment, so no risk, no liability. Now we talk about goal setting for fast earning. First, upgrade your ID. Complete 5 direct upgrade at level 1. Focus on Goa tour. Focus on silver royalty. Focus on foreign tour. Focus on gold royalty. And same duplicate in repeat in your team with your leader. And this is the concept of, if you dream big, goal set, take action. First, learn, teach, help, and duplication. This is the four part of goal setting for fast earning. If you run this concept, if you take these benefits of goal setting for fast earning, you definitely grow in next money business. Now we talk about example of real passive income. Our business partner of Mr. Ashok Sarwat sir, he is not present in live. Ashok Sarwat sir work in next money in few months, and he make of real passive income of when we work on next money. Her team, his team size of uh, 42 lakh 3723 peoples, and active ID is 71,708 peoples, and company this now this time he is not in our presence, he is died, and company provide of all benefits or all income his nomination through by next money business. So this is the real passive income example, financial security. So now we have to point discuss success and failure. If you going to success, decision is yours. You uh, you purchase prime membership of Next Money. Either if you want to success in your life, if you fulfill your dreams, if you go of direction of sun. So and another option is failure. If you want failure, you save your 1770 rupees, and your life is as well as no changes. And if you start this business of Next Money, you fulfill your dreams. So join us our Facebook Next Money Team Championship group. You get all information and updates about Next Money. Thank you so much, giving you valuable time of listening this presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you.